Meaning of fumarole.
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 Fumarole. A fumarole is a vent in Earth's surface through which steam and volcanic gases, such as carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide, are emitted. These vents can be found near active volcanoes, geysers, and hot springs. Fumaroles are usually small in size, measuring only a few inches to several meters across, and their activity can vary greatly over time. Some fumaroles can emit extremely high temperatures that pose a significant hazard for nearby wildlife and humans. The study of fumaroles provides valuable insights into the geological processes that shape our planet.